Hey campers, it is your favorite director, Tyler, and I'm coming to you with a video of how to make slime. So you are going to need baking soda, school glue, shaving cream, contact solution, some paper towels, a bowl that is safe to do this craft in, and some measuring cups. First, to get started, what we're going to do is take our craft safe bowl and we're going to pour about 7 to 8 ounces of glue into the bowl. Now keep in mind, each regular bottle of glue is somewhere around 5 ounces, so I'm going to use this clear glue, and then I'm going to grab a little bit of this glitter pink glue that I have to use for the base of our slime.
Purchase your tricks today.
After we pour the pink glue into our bowl with the clear glue, we are going to grab some of the baking soda. Now, I used about a teaspoon of baking soda, and you can see here I am measuring out the baking soda in my little tiny measuring cup, and I'm going to pour it in. I stirred up my baking soda and my glue until it got to a nice even consistency, and I'm going to take a cup and a half of my shaving cream. You'll see I already showed you some of my tools, my measuring cup. I'm going to measure that out, and what I have is a half a cup, so I'm going to have to do that 3 times. And I'm going to add the shaving cream to my glue and baking soda mixture. Now this is where our project starts to get a little messy and fun. It's now time to stir that all up. We're going to make sure that it is an even consistency, that our glue and our shaving cream is mixed together. Now, to turn our mixture into slime, we're going to take some contact solution and we're going to get a teaspoon to start us off, and we are going to incorporate the teaspoon of our contact solution into our mixture. You'll notice that the mixture starts to thicken up. Now, you're going to start off with a teaspoon, but as we continue and you notice that it's still sticky, it's not coming together, you're going to have to eyeball it and add some more contact solution until it starts to actually turn into that slime consistency that you want. Now it's time to make sure you have these paper towels handy, because this is where it really gets messy. I want you to pick up your slime and you're going to start to toss and turn and knead your slime dough until it starts to get into like this messy Play-Doh like consistency. And as you do this, you're going to add some more contact solution until it stops sticking to your hands. As you can see, my hands are very messy, very sticky. But at this point, we've gotten to the consistency that we want. We have made our slime. Now at this point you can add in all the cool stuff that you would like. So I just added some Bath & Body Works lotion to make it smell good. And now I'm going to add some glitter just to make it look really cute and fun. And then we're just going to pick it up and stretch it and mix it in until both the lotion and our cute glitter is all mixed into our slime. And at this point, you should have slime. Oh, it's so much fun to play with. Okay, well, tag us in all of your creations. I would love to see what color slime you made at Serendipity Day Camp on Facebook or Instagram. See you later, guys.